my brand new to me Pizza Chit diesel dually manual.
Like as tight as I could get it to the front of the trailer. I guess that worked pretty good. Hold up. Alright, let's get it. Stop. Fix these front ones now, hold up.
Now, both of these fuel lines are loose and free. Just gotta see if I can get them out without taking off the accessories. Hopefully I can. All right, got the alternator and the power steering pump pulled back. The old line's pulled out, about to go back in with the new. Just a little bit of convincing. I got it in. Only having to remove the alternator and power steering pump bracket. Good to go, and I almost gave up. Got everything fixed. Now I just need to hit it with a little bit of diesel's best friend. She needs just a little bit more juice. She's almost ready. All right, here we go. She wants to run. She wants to run bad. Release. This is gonna do it right here. I'm just gonna keep hitting it with the old ether. Eventually, all the air will be gone and it'll work. Don't look at that. All right, can't be too mad about that. Just a couple fuel lines, the engine oil temperature sensor, and adding some oil. Bled the lines a little bit. It's a little bit starting fluid, and she's good to go. This one's all right. underneath her, baby. And now she can't get off the stuff. But that's okay, because she still runs.